Hi, this is Akkaz. In this part, you will see how we use IFERROR function to handle VLOOKUP error messages. We are using VLOOKUP function to return net per packet price of an item, that is ball pen. Net packet price. Now change the item as eraser. Price is automatically changed. Oops, it's giving error. Pen is not available in our list. It looks a bit awkward. We use IFERROR function to replace this error message. If error, bracket open, the formula, comma, second argument, 0, bracket close, enter. As you can see, now our total amount is not giving error. You can use IFERROR to return a bit differently, like instead of 0, you can return a text as well. It is totally depend upon scenarios. In our case, we need to return 0 only. I am sure this tutorial is helpful for you. Practice file link is given in description of this video.